The Pan-African Chamber of Commerce and Industry (PACCI), in collaboration with the Association of African Investors, Regional and National Chambers of Commerce, United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, World Masters Group, and the Great Lakes Private Sector Forum present a 5-day African Private Sector Virtual Summit on doing business under the ACFTA. The main theme is righting the wrongs of doing business in Africa.
Sub-themes: 1. Africa's new landscape for doing business, the African Continental Free Trade Area. 2. Investment paradigm shifts for sustainable transformation and development. 3. Strategic opportunities for doing business in Africa for maximum impact. 4. Africa's innovators, frontiers for business diversification. And 5. Unifying the continental implementation approaches and strategies.
The date is March 8 to 12, 2021. The time is 1400 hours GMT, 1500 hours West Africa time, 1600 hours Central African time, and 1700 hours East African time. Activities include keynote speaking, panel discussion, business and side meetings, as well as exhibitions.
Visit the summit website at www.africaprivatesectorsummit.org to register for the summit.
For more information, please contact +251 11691 0011, +254 721 720 622, +234 703 513 0060, and +447 956 036 336.